Imagine I pull up somewhere, right? In front of somewhere where it's popping at, right? You got Jay-Z, you got Diddy, these niggas out there, niggas about their business and shit like that, right? I pull up on my little Bentley, my little coupe and all that, jump out, you know what I'm saying? I'm chilling, I got my little shit on, and this bitch got on her cheap ass fucking shoes.
Hey, my niggas is wildin', styling, profiling, all that shit. Sliding on you niggas, all that. No ifs, ands, buts about it. It's all yeah, nigga, overlit. No buts or ands, y'all, but I'm the man, but all the bands fall. No ands or busts, no ands or busts, and I'ma stand tall, and I just can't fall.
Great Scott, are you a thief? Seems like you have a mouth full of gold teeth.
It's getting thousands, no ifs, ands or busts about it. Had to bring a different crowd, and if you see me stuck, I'm louder on something else. I see many something else, known to shit on someone else, for acting like they someone else. Nigga, that ain't you, cause that is me you tryna be.
In OG, I need some game. I'm 29 years old. I'm currently dating a 25-year-old woman. She's a good girl that loves me and doesn't have problems breaking bread unlike most women today. Neither one of us have kids, so we are a good match. Problem is, she don't cook, can't dress.
Oh, damn.
And her sex is
He
weak.
said that.
I give her money to buy clothes and she doesn't buy anything new. I often ask her to step it up and she says she will, but she never does. Whenever we go out, I'm always find myself looking at other women because they dress better and more attractive because how they carry themselves.
Damn.
I often want to go back to my ex-girlfriend who's 37 with a 17-year-old daughter. My ex always dressed fly and had an amazing sex, but never did for me besides give me sex. Gilly, would I be a nut-ass nigga for getting rid of a 25-year-old with no baggage for a 30-year-old single mom?
I don't even know where to start first. The sex thing, that's the most important thing for me. I've been in relationships with chicks, I was like, yo, step it up, and they did not. They thought like when I meant step it up and get more sexy, they thought it meant like, you know, get on top and do your lips like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, what the fuck is that? I get it. You know, like, what is that? Like, what? Nothing. But, yeah. And that just doesn't, that didn't work. The dress thing, it's kind of important, too. Now, I ain't really in, like, oh, she got me in red bottoms and all that, you know what I'm saying? Because, nigga, you can put red bottoms on one of those pigs that my pops used to own down at the farm, and it's still a pig, you know what I'm saying? Cool, you got the red bottom, and then what else, you know? Because them shit's gotta come off too, you know? I don't know about the going back, you know what I'm saying? But old girl would have to go. She would just have to, I really can't do nothing with you, you know what I'm saying? You're not listening, you ain't paying attention, you know? So that's my thoughts on that.
I'm going back to 37 years old.
You don't have to go back to him, because he could just leave the situation if he feels as though he's uncomfortable and go somewhere else. Why do you want to go back to that?
But because obviously his options ain't like that.
Okay.
Because he only see it as either I can get A or I can get B. He didn't add, should I drop in and get me a new bitch? Because obviously getting a new bitch might be hard for some niggas.
You know what I'm saying?
And of course, I couldn't deal with a chick who can't fucking dress and ain't trying to learn how to fucking dress. Like I could meet a chick who can't dress and I'm like, no, I like her. She got everything and she just got to change her wardrobe. But bitch, once I try to lace you, bitch, you can't be unlaceable. I just want to just wear it. No, bitch, I'm trying. Listen, I can't take it. I'm telling you now, I'm gonna leave you if you keep wearing them jeans that ain't fitting right on the ass.
Cardigans.
Yeah.
I met some chick back in I was in college, and I saw her, and I guess this girl I knew, she knew, so I was like, yo, take me to a room after we finish, you know what I'm saying? Let me I wanna holler at her. So, you know what I'm saying, she got like, yo, what's up? You know what I'm saying? I thought she was pretty, and I guess she was college standing cute, because this chick went on to be like she was Miss something for the college, but it just, so anyway, I was like, yo, I think I was with a chick at the time, but it wasn't my girlfriend, you know what I'm saying? Because I put that label, I like, when I... Don't ask, I said. Don't ask. Barbershop 2 came out, and I was like, yo, let me, I want to take you there. Big mistake. Number one, first date, don't never take a girl to no movie. You're not going to get to know her. I came to pick her up, man, she came out with them damn, like, Air Force One heel joints. Oh my God.
Like, look at your shoes.
I was like, shit, no, I didn't have the nerve to have like a Giants jersey on with that shit.
Like, I can't even sport you somewhere.
So what I did was, when we was in the line waiting for the movie to start, or waiting for them to let us in, I had to make sure that nobody I knew was taking any chicks to that movie that night because I needed to get back to Shorty because, you know, I just didn't want to.
Who is that?
I'm standing with my back turned to her, acting like I'm on the wall, and I'm just talking over my shoulder so nobody would know like I was out talking to her over my shoulder, like, yeah. I'm like, okay, so you, okay. You know what I'm saying? I played it good, nigga. But yeah, nah, after that, nah, I ain't caught, nah. Sorry. Alright, YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. We're here in Smithfield, North Carolina. I'm at the outlets. I'm about to hit the Nike outlets up. I don't know the last time I've been here. It's probably been like 2011, 2010. I don't know. It's just been a minute. But I'm about to go check out the I'm about to go check out the Nike outlet. I'll probably hit the Ralph Lauren joint.
And then that's not gonna happen.
I see PacSun got a joint out here too. And the reason I'm laughing, I see the Carolina Pottery. So my mother had asked me, she was like, yeah, if you're going up there, and if you go in Carolina Pottery, I asked my mother, I said, number one, why would I be going in the Carolina Pottery?
That doesn't even make sense.
I know you're probably gonna be asking. Yes, I found my grill from 2000 and had this grill since 2002, and that was one thing that I wanted to find when I got back. I was like, ooh, I wouldn't mind finding one of my grills, because I know my other joint, I think my ex I was with back at that time, she might have kept or threw my shits away.
When you go, then everything goes. From the crib to the right and the cold.
But I still got that one from 2002. But I do throw it on just to see, like, man, I'm like, I don't want nothing on top of my teeth, you know what I'm saying? Like, fuck that. But anyway, man, about to fall up in here, you already know. See what's up in here. Like I said, it's been a minute. I don't have the best experience at these outlets, but we'll see. Hopefully today will change. Carolina, hold me down. 400 likes on this joint. See you in a second. Out.
Won't believe it. You wanna be seeing with your own eyes.
Rick, and that is on the beat.
Won't believe it. Like you just came back like, man, you won't believe it. I got so much rest, I swear you won't believe it. I could save it fast, but you still won't believe it. Won't believe it. Won't believe it. If I show my wrist off, man, you won't believe it. Shorty suck my dick off like you won't believe it. I just want to tip off like you won't believe it. Won't believe it. You making nonsense, so it's nonsense. On a rocket, check my eyelids. Ain't no fault I do this on me, this is God sent. All deposits, don't do posits. Who you way small, girl you crazy. You the chaser, I'm the chasey. Got a question.
Took a minute, but I got up in there. The line was crazy. Well, it wasn't crazy when I was there, but it's starting to get crazy. I was out there for about a good 30 minutes before I got in, but I managed to get me some pickups. It took a minute. And we'll get into that when I get back to the Ville and get to my parents' crib so I can do this unbagging. But I did get some good steals up in that joint though, word, especially for the summer. But anyway, you already, man, follow me. Ow.
I can't take no busted bitch with a good vibe. I'm just saying, that just ain't me.
What you mean busted? What's
Well,
busted?
what about a bad bitch with no
Let me
personality?
just tell you something. I don't give a fuck what the outside shell look like. If you don't got no hustle with you, you ain't no bad bitch.
Word.
That's not a bad bitch. How you a bad bitch, but you just pretty? You're a fucking beautiful bum.
BB?
You talk about use a
double B?
A beautiful bum bitch. Prime example. This is just my opinion. If you got a woman who ain't trying to progress, she's not trying to be nothing in life, I couldn't go for that. I could never go for a woman that's just talking about, I'm gonna be an at-home mom. Bitch. So you ain't gonna take my money, try to open up a cleaners or nothing. You ain't gonna try to bring nothing to the table, bitch.
Not a
you
damn.
just gonna claim your job is
Nothing
taking
on
care
nothing.
of the kids,
Yeah.
bitch.
That's her job.
Nothing on nothing.
Got me fucked up.
400 likes on this joint. We at the crib, my section of the house. But anyway, man, so my pickups right here. Yo, I ain't even spent $100. I was hyped. A lot of discounts today. Anyway, it's just grab and go. All right, bam. First off, got this tee right here. Just Do It joint. I got this in a size large. It was $19.99. I got 40% off of everything. So whatever $19.99 is with 40% off, my math is bad, but that's how much I paid for the joint. I wasn't gonna get it at first, but now I was like, you know what? Let me get this joint mad cheap. You know what I'm saying? So bam, there you go. All right. Alright, so like I said, 400 likes on the joint. Nah, I just
Ain't nobody playing but you.
try to get all the T's first. Cop this joint right here, black tea. I think I got this in a medium because, yo, people been telling me I'm slimming up ever since I haven't been drinking. I got that joint in a large because this one of them dry fits seemed like it hugs you a little bit. But I went ahead and got the medium on this one. Got the Nike on the pocket, the Nike swoosh and white lettering. Bam. Yeah. I got this to go with those because I actually did bring them up here. The JDI Nikes, the low top Air Force One joint. They had a white one, but I was like, man, a white tee, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm doing that. Got another joint to go with those JDI joints. I got this in a size medium too. Nike Santa Monica. I'm rocking with something. I mean, I can still rock them with, check it. My bad, I took my shoes off in the crib. If I did want to rock it with this, you know what I'm saying? I think I'm still straight. Or I might just throw them on with the JDI joints also. But yeah, got the Nike Santa Monica in the back. Well, this joint was, it was $24.99 with 40% off. You do the math. Alright, now we can get into the shorts. My first pair here, I actually got a size medium. The shorts, there was like slim pickings. It seemed like they had like small, medium, and then it just jumped to like 1 extra large or something, or a double X or something. But I was eyeing these. I've been wanting another pair of royal blue Nike shorts. I actually did pick up a pair of the gray ones, but I got a lot of gray Nike shorts. Got about two with me. Oh, 3 including the last pickup that I got, and I think I got one back still up in New York. And I don't have a pair of these royal blue joints, so I went ahead and copped these. These were, I think these were, let me see. These were $39.99 with 40% off that. So, yeah. I gotta try these on, but I think they're gonna work. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my homegirl. I stopped by at the little cookout that she was having. She was like, "Dang, yo, you got slim. You ain't good drinking." You know what I'm saying? And my last joint, I just picked these up just because I was like, man, let me get these for like when I go to DR or something, or if it's a real hot day. These are some center fit knee length shorts. They kind of like that windbreaker material. Nice deep pockets. I do like that. It's got a kind of like a real light neon color, black at the top, and then this is what I like as well. Got your Nike lettering with the swoosh in infrared. So I do got a few options with these. Matter of fact, yeah, I do. It's a good thing that I bought. Yeah, I do. But yeah, so no, I like these joints. These were, these were $39.99 with 40% off. So 2 pair of jeans, 3 tees. Regular price would have been $142, but I got it for $97.32. So yeah, I saved pretty good on these joints. I'm still looking for that JDI hoodie, the gray joint with the little box that says "Just Do It." I still want that joint in gray. I'm kind of like, I keep looking at it, waiting for the price to go down. But yeah, man, these are my pickups. 400 likes. Let me know what you think. It did take a minute to get up in that joint. Adidas wasn't open, so I didn't go up in there. I could still go up, you know what I'm saying? I don't know how long I'll be here for, but I could still go up another day. So, yep, these are my joints right here. No sneakers. As you can see, I ain't really, you know what I'm saying? I never had to luck with the sneakers, but I can always figure out something with the gear. Word. Shout out to everybody that's been rocking with me. Shout out to everybody that's been commenting, liking, all that. Shout out to the Wave Mob too. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be. With that Snups. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Where's Your Beach, like I always like to say. See you when I see you. Out.